Thank you Project Zorgo members for helping us figure out the Doomsday Date passcode. Many of you successfully decoded it. Was Clock Tower 2018. The first person to decode it was Shivraj Banerjee. To claim your reward, leave a comment below with a way for us to contact you. Many of you have already figured out that the Doomsday Date will take place in November of 2018. If you would like to know the exact date, call this phone number 70290700653. I look forward to receiving your phone call. And always remember, Project Zorgo is watching.